Triad approach is a powerful tool for dissecting and understanding complex situations by breaking them down into three key components. This method is unique in its ability to examine both the positive, affirmed, and negative, negated aspects of a scenario, providing a comprehensive perspective. The process involves identifying three critical elements that contribute to a positive state and their counterparts that lead to a negative state. Begin by considering a positive or desirable state you want to analyze. This could be anything from a successful team project to a healthy personal relationship. Once you've identified this state, break it down into three main components or factors that contribute to its success. These are your affirmed variables. For example, in a successful team project, these might be effective communication, mutual respect, and clear goals. Next, contemplate the opposite of your positive state, a negative or undesirable situation. Now, identify three critical elements that contribute to this negative state. These are your negated variables. In the context of the team project, these could be miscommunication, lack of respect, and unclear objectives. With both sets of variables defined, delve into how these elements interact and affect each other. Explore scenarios where the presence or absence of these components might lead to different outcomes. For instance, consider how the lack of clear goals, negated variable, might affect communication and respect within the team. Encourage yourself to view each situation from both ends of the spectrum. Understand that the absence of a positive factor can significantly impact the scenario, just as the presence of a negative one can. This step is crucial for gaining a nuanced understanding of the situation as a whole. Finally, apply this understanding to real-life situations or hypothetical scenarios. Use the insights gained from the triad analysis to inform decisions, solve problems, or predict outcomes. This step helps in developing a more balanced and informed approach to dealing with various situations. In concluding our exploration of the triad approach, it's important to underscore the significant role negations play in this analytical process. The act of identifying negative factors, especially those that might initially seem unrelated, is crucial in understanding the full dynamics of any situation. By negating elements of a connected triad, we often unveil hidden influences, obstacles, and barriers that would otherwise remain obscured. This practice of examining what is not present or what could potentially disrupt a positive state offers a deeper level of insight. It encourages us to think critically about underlying causes and effects, and to consider how the absence or inversion of certain elements can drastically alter outcomes. For example, in a team project, while it's important to recognize the value of effective communication, it's equally crucial to understand how miscommunication, its negation, can undermine the entire project. Furthermore, exploring negations helps in identifying less obvious, yet significant relationships between components. It reveals how certain negative factors are interconnected, often in subtle ways, and how they can collectively impact the overall scenario. This understanding is invaluable in developing strategies to mitigate negative influences and in strengthening the positive aspects. In essence, the triad approach, with its emphasis on both affirmations and negations, equips us with a comprehensive framework for analysis. It fosters a more rounded and profound understanding of complex situations, guiding us towards more informed and effective decision-making. As we apply this method, we become adept at not only celebrating the presence of positive elements, but also in recognizing and addressing the challenges posed by their negative counterparts.